it's Alicia from Authentic Heartwork. Thank you for purchasing your art kit, and I look forward to painting with all of you on Saturday. I just wanted to show you what we'll be doing. This is the painting we'll be doing. It's called Sprinkles, and I have included in your art kit, which is this white shopping bag. Okay, we have all of the supplies that we need. You will be receiving an 8x10 canvas. It's a staple back on a wooden frame so you can hang your artwork once you're done. Inside of your shopping bag, you will also find a plastic plate. We can use this to mix your paint colors. If you feel like blending colors, you could do that here. I'm also included 2 paint brushes. One is bigger, one is smaller. The bigger brushes to cover the background and the bigger spaces, maybe like the ice cream cone if you'd like to. And then we have our smaller paintbrush to get more of the details. Then we also have a paper towel. And we also have a disposable apron, guys. So you can use that so that you don't get paint all over your clothes. The next thing I have included in your art kit is a cup. So that you can put water to rinse out your brush. I always recommend only using a half a cup of water, not too much. And then I've included your acrylic paints. They're in these cute little jars. So you'll have red, yellow, brown for the chocolate, purple for the sprinkles, green, and white. And I also included my business card, so you can find this video on my YouTube channel. If for any reason you missed a class or you feel like you want to go back and kind of look at something, the video is there on my YouTube and it's completely free. So don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, so again, I look forward to painting with you guys on Saturday, and thank you again.